Hey guys, Ahmet here, and today we're in Manavgat, Turkey, and this is Manavgat Waterfalls. Let's go check it out. Is fresh. Oh, feels so good. That tree has grown from the rocks. Look at that tree. There we go. And there's a trail here that you can walk along the side. But this is just amazing. You got so many trees that are literally just in the water. It's been raining here for like 4 days in a row, so that's why the water is so high. If you come here after no rain, you can get in the water where the front is. They got stairs and stuff. You can literally just walk into it. Bathroom here costs, I think, 2 liras. Yeah, every 14 is $1. So you can figure out. And they're very clean. They have a butler that comes in and takes care of it. It's very, very clean bathroom. You pretty much have park in most places in Turkey for kids and families. I think they are known for parks. That's our car right there. 35 bucks a day. It's an SUV. We'll show you a full breakdown in another video. Just about every tourist area, you're gonna have some kind of nice restaurant. They have fish here today, fish and shrimp. Ice cream, especially Turkish ice cream. Welcome to Ancient City of Side, outside of Antalya, Turkey.